Raj and welcome to my channel. So guys, today I have a new story, but guys, before starting that, I want you to do only 3 steps for me and to watch this video. Step number 1 is click on the bell icon so you'll be able to get my more fun videos just like this. Step number 2, click on the like button, and step number 3, if you haven't did that, then what are you doing guys? Just do this step. I'm telling you that the step number 3 is click on the subscribe button. Otherwise the king's 12th daughter will come and take your all shoes too. So guys, by knowing the hint, you are knowing to get that the story's topic. Yes guys, the story topic is the king's 12 daughters. So let's start. Once upon a time, in a village, there was a king and he was living with a queen. So her queen went to her own village, so the king was left only. Then the daughters decided, what are we going to do? Just stay at home. So then they find out a secret way. Everyone knew each time when their dance competition was start, and at the hall, all princesses' shoes were just dirty, and tears hole. They were teared with the holes. Then the king called his all soldiers that to find out the way in 3 days. Nobody could find anything, but one soldier come and said, "I'll find out that what is the way? What is the secret way of that?" So the king said, "Okay, I'll trust you. You have only 3 days to find out. At the 4th day, if you didn't find out, then I will put you in the jail for a long year. Just 5 to 10 years." So then after some time, when he was walking through, he saw a lady. The lady said, "I know that you are a really kind person. Would you help me please?" Then he said, "Yes, of course," and he gave me. उस बुरी औरत ने उससे बोला, "मुझे पता था कि तुम मुझे कुछ दे दोगे। पीछे तो जब मैं बाजार में गई, किसी ने मुझे कुछ भी नहीं दिया। इसके बदले में मुझे सारा महल का हाल पता है। किंग तुम्हें जेल पे डाल देगा, इसलिए ये लो, मैं आपको एक फ्लैग देती हूँ। इसे अगर पीछे पहन लोगे तो गायब हो जाओगे और आसानी से उन क्वींस का पता लगाओगे। मगर याद रखना, वो जो प्रिंसेसेस थी ना, वो कुछ सही नहीं लग रही। उन्होंने आज तक सारे सोल्जर्स को एक जूस दिया था। उस जूस ने पीने से सारे, और फिर तो इसलिए वो जो भी दे ड्रिंक में नहीं पीना। और इसके बाद वो उसका बुरी औरत का शुक्रिया अदा करके महल जा पहुंचा। और फिर उसके बाद जैसे उसका डे 1 स्टार्ट हुआ, वो उसके बाहर बैठ गया। तभी महल में से एक प्रिंसेस निकली और बोला, "Take some juice. You maybe get some tired. So already take some juice. By standing, you must be get some tired." So the soldier forgot that what the lady has said and drink the juice. As he drank the juice, he get very sleepy and went to bed. And after that, the king opened the door and said, "You haven't found it yet? No, you have only 2 days left to find that out, the way out." So that's why the soldier was very worried, and he didn't even know that what happened next. So then the soldier went for the day 2. Again the one more princess come and said, "Drink some juice. You must be getting some tired." He was really tired again, so he drank the juice once again. So as he was worked out, he again get to sleep. Then the king came and opened the door. He said, "You have now only 1 day left. Again you have get to sleep. Now otherwise you will went to jail. And if you find out the thing, I will let you marry it." उसके बाद जब उस सिपाही का आखिरी दिन स्टार्ट हो गया तो वो दरवाजे के बाहर बैठ गया। तभी एक और शहजादी अंदर से आई और बोला, तुम ज़रूर यकीनन थक गए होगे, पानी पी लो। जैसे वो पीने वाला था तो उसे याद है कि बूढ़ी औरत ने क्या बोला। तो उसके अंदर जाने के बाद उस सिपाही ने क्या किया कि वो ग्लास पौधे पे फेंक दिया और फिर वो अंदर जा बैठा, फ्लैग पहना और अंदर चला गया। मगर तभी उन प्रिंसेसेस को लगा कि क्या पता वो सोया ना हो, तो ज़रा चेक करो लीना, ज़रा चेक करो दरवाजे के आगे उसके खराटों की आवाज़ आ भी रही है या नहीं। बेहोशी में टाइम भी तो लगेगा। तो उसे फ़ौरन पता लग गया, उसे खराटे की आवाज़ निकाली थी। जहाँ लीना खड़ी थी वो वहीं से खराटे की आवाज़ निकालने शुरू हो गया। उसने हंसते वक्त बोला, हाँ वो तो सो भी गया है। और तब उसने एक ताली बजाई। फिर अरीना ने एक ताली बजाई और फ़ौरन बैठ हट के एक सीढ़ियों वाला एक सीक्रेट रास्ता शुरू हो गया। वो सारे उसके नीचे जाते रहे एक एक करके। फिर गलती से उस सिपाही ने अरोइना की स्कर्ट पे पैर रख दिया। वो अरोइना नीचे गिर गई। उसने बोला, लीना मेरी किसी ने स्कर्ट पे पैर रखा है। लीना ने हंसते वक्त बोला, वो तुम ही होगी यकीनन। और वो आगे चलते रहे। After that, the soldier was very worried that now I haven't to let a mistake. So he went down and down. Then he was really worried that what happened. Some ducks came and there were 12 ducks, and each of the 12 ducks there were prince, and the girl sit and sit. After that, on Cinta's duck, he also sit. Then Cinta said to Arena, my duck is just smelling down that one person is here sitting near me. The soldier was very worried, so he moved little bit down too. Then Arena said, it was nothing. It was just you. You have a really big weight, I think, or your prince have. Then they went to the castle. After some time, that Lena got very hungry, so she take one cake, and then Arena called her, so she went away. So the soldier also was getting little bit hungry, so he took one cake, and then suddenly Lena came and said, "Oh, Arena, see, my cake is flying." Then hurry up, the soldier put the cake down. Lena come and said, What happened? The cake isn't flying. It was just your bubble thought, all the girls are venting silly. I don't know what happens. Then he went away. After eating the cake, he thought that all the funds are gone now. I have to show one thing so the king could believe me. So he take a trophy and a branch. Then after some time, the daughters also went away. Then at the next morning, the king said, "Are you ready to go in the jail? You haven't found anything. I hope so, huh?" Then the soldier said, "No, I have found something." He told everything that what happened in the castle, whatever, but the king did not believe. So he showed a silver branch and a trophy and said that I will bring from there. Then he really king believed and called her all daughters. Then all daughters tell the truth, and he said, "Time for your prize. You could choose any of the daughter you like for marrying." So she took the small daughter Arena for her marry, and after that, while taking the Arena, the all 11 daughters were left. They all started crying, and some were just tears and sad face. And after some time, the soldier and Arena get married, and they lived happily forever. So guys, if you like my video, then like, subscribe, and share it. And bye.